Welcome to the New York State Notary Association September 2016 video refresher training. This month's topic will be top notary mistakes and how to avoid them. In particular, we'll be covering the most common mistake that notaries get in trouble for that I see in tribunal hearings and that I've personally seen notaries in the field get in trouble with, and that is, what is the most common reason New York notary public officers lose their license? Well, it's notarizing without a warm body present. If you're all alone at your desk and somebody dropped off some paperwork for you to notarize that they're going to pick up later, you cannot notarize that. You cannot notarize if they do a video web chat with you, if they mail it to you, if somebody else brings their driver's license to you, so forth and so on. The statutes say the person you notarize the signature for must have appeared before you on the day you date the notary certificate. You must sign each notary certificate with your original signature of the name you are appointed under and no other. That means the one that you signed your oath of office card with. Every 4 years you get a new signature. That signature is deposited in your county clerk, and people, unbeknownst to you, will check and verify your signature and pay a $3 fee to the county clerk for authentication. This is usually for things that are international documents, but you never do know when they're going to be checking up on you. 3. You must ask for proof of identity that is satisfactory. Now, only you can decide what that is, because that is our guideline. So I suggest you adhere to the prudent man principle in our law, which you can find in Black's Law Dictionary, which states that if somebody challenges your decision because the law did not advise you specifically what proof of identity is, only that you must ask for proof that is satisfactory, and you find yourself in a challenged position, the test in the law to be for you or against you would be this: is what you asked for considered reasonable by a person of average intelligence in society? So, if you notarize without a warm body, in other words, without the person appearing before you on the day specified, the date you date the notary certificate, and you get caught, your notary license can be suspended or removed and revoked once you've had a copy of the charges against you and an opportunity being heard. That would be in a tribunal hearing. If they found out in the tribunal hearing you did it by accident and you just didn't know, in other words, that you were ignorant, it would not be referred to criminal court. But if you did do it knowingly, you could be charged with a serious charge called professional misconduct, and that would be criminal court. And then you'd be wondering, how long will I go to jail for a Class A misdemeanor in New York? Well, if it's the first time, usually you're going to get a probation and not go to jail. Now, the third thing that can happen to you is if the document had a legal problem as a result of your negligence and somehow got unrecorded or delayed, you could be sued in civil court for damages. So, to lose your license, to lose your money, and have a judgment, and then to have a criminal conviction, those are certainly bad results we should avoid. When people ask us, "Can you please do me a favor?" it would be wise to say no. This month we have a notary fact for you. Scarlett Johansson brought the responsibility of being a notary public to a whole new level. Johansson played Natalie in Iron Man 2, where Natalie was a notary public for Stark Industries, but her alter ego, Black Widow, protected the public in an entirely different way. Okay, we just thought that you'd find that interesting. Another thing that's interesting is the New York State Notary Association has won Best of New York Adult Education, presented by Best Business, 2 years in a row now. we're pretty happy about that. That's for the online education platform that we built. So, it's September 6th, 2016, and the kids are headed back to school tomorrow, or today, and things will start getting faster paced at the office now. So, I hope you all had an amazing summer, and I hope you rested because you're going to need it. As usual, our Notary Public Procedures hotline is open Monday through Friday at 347-427-9091. And if you know anybody that's interested in becoming a notary public, our notary classes are going on a discount for September only with a 16% off the current price. And the shopping cart will be updated today on September 6th. And that's at www.notarypublicnewyork.com. Thank you for supporting us, and thank you for being a member of the association, and we'll see you next month.